Hey everybody, we're here at Camp Margaritaville and we are here for an Alliance RV event, and we're going to show you what that's all about when we come back. Alright everybody, yeah, we spent the weekend here at the second annual Southern Alley Rally. And what is an alley rally?
So an alley rally is Alliance owners coming together, just learning and having a good time, meeting each other. It has been a blast. We've met a lot of people. We've seen people we've met previously and got to know them a little better, so that's great. We actually had Alliance 96 units were here, and it was around 230 people.
Yeah, it was.
So it was a sold out rally, so it was excellent.
It was really good. We had so much fun. They gave away prizes.
Mm-hmm. We didn't win anything, by the way.
No,
not us.
They actually gave away solo stoves that Alliance has, stamped on there with their name and stuff. So that was pretty cool.
Yeah, Moride was here. Clean Tank, which is KLEEN, in case you're wondering about that.
Yep.
We had TST and Gas Stop here.
Yep.
We had sponsorships by Blue Compass RV. Matt's RV reviews. When we checked in, we got a thing of his new liquefy product for the black tank, so we're excited to try that out.
Yep.
We learned more about the RV Unplugged show, the contestant show, and actually two of our fellow Allies, Martha and Chris, I think it's Peters, am I right, Peters? Martha and Chris, anyway, They are contestants. They're on Stacy's team, if you know anything about it, so we're looking forward to cheering them on. The winner of that gets $10,000, so that's nothing to sneeze at.
Yeah, it's kind of like Survivor meets RVers.
Right, and it's on YouTube, so you can look it up, so RV Unplugged.
Hi, I'm Chris Peters.
Don't say your last name.
See, that's why I don't start. Hey, I'm Chris.
And I'm Martha, and we're a venturesome couple.
And we're on RV Unplugged. We're super excited to be here because we're going to win $10,000.
Yes, we are.
We also had My Health Nomad. I was a sponsor of Coffee and Donuts one morning. When I mentioned Blue Compass RV, they were a sponsor of one of our dinners. We had a potluck dinner one night.
Yeah.
And having it at Margaritaville, there's a lot to do. So if you have some downtime, you can go to the pools. There's two different pools. One overlooks the lake. They're both beautiful. One is more family friendly with a water slide, and it has a splash pad for younger kids. Margaritaville has multiple dog parks. They have a spa station with 2 washing stations and a grooming table.
Yeah, it's great.
They have a dog run area.
I didn't get over and see that yet.
Yeah, and we didn't. They have cottages. So if you're not an RVer but you want to come here in Auburndale, Florida, they have beautiful cottages. They have a lot of them that you can rent as well. So if you have friends that RV and you want a cottage, that's what we're hoping our family will do. There's activities going on all the time. There's 2 different bars. One's a tiki bar, one's a licensed to chill bar. There's food.
2 different pools.
Yeah, I said that.
You did.
Miniature golf, which I really think is an Arnold Palmer style, because it's not easy. It's
a really nice miniature golf course.
Beautiful. So
it's really beautiful.
And like right now, today they're having like pickleball. Like I said, there's just a lot of activities to do, or you can do nothing.
Yeah, there's a little green field for kids to play on. They have activities. I forget which activities. The kids,
like Gaga-ball, just they have laser tag, they have they have movie nights, there's just a lot going on, so it's great for families. It's great for people who don't have families.
The adult pool is really laid back. They let you, if you want to bring water, whatever to drink in the pool area.
So
you
that's good.
You can bring in water.
They have a bar right there, so you don't even have to leave.
Yeah.
The pool area.
Exactly, and they're pretty good about letting you drink, whatever you purchase there, right in the pool.
Yeah, they are.
So they're not real strict on that.
Nope. So that's great. But back to the Alliance Rally, it was our first one. It exceeded our expectations, I believe. At least it did for me.
Yeah, it did.
And I'm so looking forward to the one next year. And we decided next year, I mean, we stayed 4 nights this year. A lot of people left, or a lot of people came early. Some people are staying like us. I look around, there's a few alliances still. We're going to stay a week next year because we just really like Margaritaville here in Auburndale. The National Rally, unfortunately, that's coming up, we're not going to be able to go to, but there's other rallies around the U.S. too. I know there's one in Texas. I believe there's one out west. So if you're not near Florida, go on the Alliance RV site and look up the events, or go on they have a Facebook.
Yeah.
Where they put all the events as well. So
yeah.
Yeah.
And this people actually spoke from the factory. We had Rob
Boyer. He was
Boyer.
here pretty much the whole weekend. He was kind of emceeing. The person who put it on was Trish Ream. She did a phenomenal job. Again, this is her second one. She had some help, obviously. Chris and Martha, venturesome couple. They kind of co-hosted because Trish had a family event that she had to deal with as well. So she unfortunately didn't get to spend the whole weekend with us, but she was here.
We had Bill Martin coming in.
And Bill Martin's wife was here, his daughter was here, his mother spoke.
Was here.
That was great.
Yeah, that was great.
We know where Bill gets
story.
his wit.
Yeah.
We now know where Bill gets it from. It was awesome.
So yeah, it's like just a big family.
It is.
If you want to, come to something like that, that's a real family atmosphere, and we get together, and we actually had a potluck dinner. It was actually last night.
Yep.
And they took a picture of all of us in our T-shirts here with the drone.
So
and
looking forward to seeing that.
I would definitely, if you're thinking about going to one of these, this would be the place to go. This place is beautiful.
Right.
And definitely put it on your calendar for sure.
So it'll be about the same time next year. So end of February, beginning of March. This one was March 2nd through the 5th. So it's around that time.
Yeah.
Last year I heard it was a little bit earlier, so that's why I'm saying end of February, beginning of March. So keep an eye out for that. It was $25 for each of us for the weekend. We got T-shirts, and it included the dinner, it included the raffle prizes, it included activities. We had bingo as an activity together.
Yep.
Besides the miniature golf, and they did a cornhole tournament. We did not participate because I am not good at that.
And they actually did the tournament with the golf, like the golf.
Yeah, they did. So we didn't score the lowest one there either.
No.
You got extra
I came
tickets
close.
for.
Within 5 strokes.
Yeah. So you get extra tickets, and again with the bingo towards the raffle. So it was very well organized, very well put together. The sponsors were great. We appreciate them. They, contributed toward the raffle prizes as well. Harvest Host, RV Life had some prizes. There was an RV Tech online course that you could win.
That's right.
There was chairs. There was Lippert had stuff. Moray, like I said, there was a bunch of stuff. So
it wasn't actually even put on by Alliance.
No.
It was actually put on by Alliance owners.
Right.
And which is really, really cool. So what the rally is not, it's not Alliance coming to look at all your little problems that you may have with your rigs and fixing them there. That's for the national rally.
Which happens the end of May this year.
Exactly. So if you're looking for something you can go to, and they can fix some issues right there from the factory, that's the one to go to. This one's just more like just fun.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure that one's fun too. Again, we've never been to a national rally. We're not able to go this year. We're hoping next year we'll be able to go to Indiana. I know it's sold out with a wait list, so it'll be another fun event. So I know there's a rally coming up in Texas. I'm not sure details about that, like I said, and then I think there's one further out west as well, and there might be others. Again, go on the Facebook page.
All right, that sounds great. We'll see you soon.
And we'll show you around Margaritaville a little bit.
here today and celebrate. Let's